54 years old from Singapore, male pattern hair loss level 6. His son's friend came to GLOJAS a few years and he have seen his son's friend's result, and today he came all the way to GLOJAS to do the SMART FUE technique. Let's see the surgical planning. This is the male pattern hair loss level 6. This is on the right lateral arm. This on the left lateral arm. We have taken a conservative approach. 2000 graft is in the first session. And this is the design. And this is the fallout area, dense backing. Right frontal temple angle here, left temple angle here. Here is concavity. Now, the patient wishes to have the first session. The second session, he's planning to come back to Malaysia again from Singapore to move on from mid-scalp and the crown. And today is day 2 after the graft care.
Thank you GLOJAS and thank you Dato